Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by uploading your image to the Midjourney Discord channel. Drag and drop your image into any chat and wait for it to finish uploading. Click the image to open the larger preview and choose Open Original. Copy the direct image URL from your browser address bar. Keep images under 8 MB for free Discord accounts to avoid upload errors, and prefer 1024 x 1024 resolution for best results. Paste the image URL at the beginning of your prompt before any descriptive words, and then add a space. Write your prompt by placing the image URL first, then your descriptive text. You can add multiple URLs up to 4, separated by spaces before the text. Control influence with wait syntax, for example image URL 0, 8 to reduce image dominance. Add model flags after the text such as R1, 1 for square, or R3, 2 for landscape. Use V5 for the latest model, and append stylize 1000 to increase painterly effects. Add seed 12,345 to reproduce a specific output reliably later. For advanced edits, combine up to 4 image URLs in a single prompt to blend references. Use no followed by a subject to exclude unwanted elements from the final image. Try aspect ratios like R16, 9 for widescreen, or R3, 2 for a classic photo crop. Use remix mode or the zoom feature to change composition while keeping your image influence. Always confirm you own the image or have permission before uploading to avoid copyright problems, and respect privacy and licensing rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.